Today we will be learning computation strategies for multiplying two-digit by two-digit numbers using the equation 15 multiplied by 27 as our example. Let's start by making an estimate for our answer. When we look at 15 multiplied by 27, I think about 15 multiplied by 30, which I know is 450. Now, because my factor 27 is less than 30, I know my answer won't be 450, but I'm going to estimate that it will fall somewhere between 400 and 450. Next, let's think about this equation concretely. So I'm going to think about a rectangle that is 27 centimeters wide and 15 centimeters tall. So right now, this rectangle is 1027 centimeters wide, but it is only 10 centimeters tall. So I need to add another 5. So now this rectangle isn't full, but it is 15 centimeters tall and 27 centimeters wide. So now I just need to fill in the rest of the rectangle. So I'm going to add another 5 by 10 here. And then what I need to do now is add in 7 groups of 5. So this is one group of 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now my 15 centimeters by 27 centimeters rectangle is full. And now I can calculate what the product will be by adding in all of these squares. So I can see that I have 2 groups of 100. So I'm going to write that down here. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 groups of 10. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 5. So if I calculate these products and add them together, I'll get my answer for 15 multiplied by 27. So 2 multiplied by 100 is 200. 17 multiplied by 10 is 170. You can just add a place value. And 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. So to add these together, I'm going to start by adding 200 and 170 to get 370. And then I'm going to add in this 30 to get us to 400. And then I'll add in this 5 to get us to 405. So my answer for this equation is 405. Now, this is one way to think about how we can divide up our rectangle of 27 centimeters by 15 centimeters. But I'm going to show you another way. So 27 and 15 can be broken up into 9 equal groups. So if this is 15, you can break it into 3 equal groups of 5, like this. And 27 can actually be broken into 3 groups of 9, like this. Now when I break up the rectangle in this way, I know that these rectangles will all equal 5 multiplied by 9, which is 45. So I know that I will actually have 9 groups of 45 in this rectangle. I'm going to draw that in now. So when I go to calculate the product for this, I'm going to think about it as 9 multiplied by 45, which I'll break down into 9 multiplied by 40, which is 360, and 9 multiplied by 5, which is 45. Now to add these two together, I'll give the 40 from this product to the 360 to get 360 plus 40 is 400. And then I'll take the 5 and add it in. and it will be 405. So I can see that with both of these computation strategies, I get the same product, which is 405, even though I've thought about it in two different ways. And both of them fall between my estimate, which was somewhere between 400 and 450. So these two computation strategies are just two ways to think about two-digit by two-digit multiplication.